Let's make cheesy hot beef sandwiches. In a skillet, preheat oil over medium-high heat. Next, add ground beef and onion. While sauteing, break down the meat into tiny pieces using a wooden spoon. Saute it for about 10 minutes, then season it with spices. Next, add bell pepper and garlic. Saute it for a few more minutes. After, add cream of mushroom soup, Worcester sauce, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix everything up. Simmer on very low, then remove from the heat and add cheese. Stir until all of the cheese melts. Then serve it with your favorite buns. Before I serve these sandwiches, I like to sprinkle finely chopped parsley over the top. Just like this. And voila, the dinner is ready. You can enjoy them with soup or just like that, for dinner or for lunch. Happy cooking. Bye.